This week's Ask Dr. Durie is an exciting new topic that we have not touched upon before. The questioner asks, what is this new Black Swan project called iStopMM? Well, this really is an amazing new project. iStopMM means Iceland, screening, treat, or prevent multiple myeloma. So what does this mean, and why Iceland? Well, Iceland is a country which is not too small and not too large. It has a population of 140,000 people. And what this means is, looking at people from the age of 40 upwards, it is possible to actually do blood screening of the entire population to see if they have a monoclonal protein, if they have MGUS, if perhaps they have smoldering myeloma, or maybe active myeloma. And the idea is to have a screening such that early disease can be detected at the very earliest possible moment, and then in a fashion such that treatment can be offered to those with the very earliest disease and with the greatest opportunity for treatment that might end up being curative. And so this links in to the Black Swan project, because with our CURE trials, this is exactly what we are attempting to achieve with our pilot treatment protocols, where we're looking for treatment that can in fact cure high-risk smoldering myeloma. So in Iceland, with Dr. Sigurdur Kristjansson as the principal investigator, who really was quite brilliant, I would say, in coming up with this idea of screening the whole population. With Dr. Kristjansson as the principal investigator, we can go ahead and set up for the screening of this whole country. Now, this is a huge undertaking to organize from the large town to the smallest of villages, to get the population to go in to their local health center and get their blood drawn, to get the testing done, to have everything recorded and set up for ongoing monitoring. And so this is a large project, it's an exciting project, and it's one that can be dramatically beneficial. This is the concept of trying to eliminate myeloma for a whole country, that if we are successful, we can diagnose the early MGUS and smoldering myeloma patients, identify what would be the ideal time to safely intervene. We definitely do not want to offer treatment too early, but we don't want to offer it too late. We want to offer it at the ideal moment, which we will be able to assess from the monitoring part of this project, and then offer the treatment which can do the best to achieve the best results, and end up being able to eliminate myeloma in Iceland. So this is perhaps an extravagant goal, but strangely enough, we are really quite optimistic that this can be an amazingly successful project. So thanks to this questioner for giving the opportunity to explain this great new adventure in Iceland to eliminate myeloma.